Hello, welcome back. This is Maurice Dimba, and today I want to show you how you can apply or use clip plane in COMOSYS. Now, to access the tool of a clip plane or a clip plane tool, you come to View. Under View, you will be able to get the clip plane tool under this section on the ribbon here. You can see Move, Create and Delete All, Disable and Enable. So this is where you get the clip plane tool. Now, this is our model and we want to maybe just clean everything or just to apply clip plane tool on this particular model. To apply that, you come to View, then come to Create, click on Create. So the moment you create, you'll be able to see my cursor has some sort of rectangular attached to the cursor. And if you read at the bottom end here, you'll be able to see you are being requested to create clip plane. Now, you will have to select a surface where you want to clip it from, where you want to clip from. Now, I'll click on this surface here, on this purlin here. So the moment I click on that purlin there and zoom out, I'll be able to see a window already created. It's like a plane. So I'll be pushing this plane to trim off the model up to a section that I have interest in. Now, to move this plane, the moment you selected a surface, you just come to Move and select on the Move. So prior to selecting the Move, first of all, let's select the plane. Then we come to Move. First of all, select the plane, then come to Move. So the moment you select Move, the cursor will change to a cross sign. So that cross sign, just left click and hold on that particular plane like this, then move your plane like that. You'll be able to clean everything on the other end. You can clean everything and come back, and maybe leave it there and zoom close. You can see we've trimmed off so many parts of our plane, and this always good for maybe you want to maybe check the models or see or have a clear view of some parts if your model is extremely big, and you can use a clip plane just to have a clear view of the part you actually have interest into. Now I can just sweep everything and I remain with my own grid, but if I leave it like this, you'll be able to think that nothing is in place. We only have grid, but if I pull it back like that, I'll be able to have my model back. Now, it is simple as this. Select a surface, create your plane clip surface, then this plane will appear, and select the plane, then come to Move. And you will be able to move it like that the moment your cursor changes to a plus sign like this. So you can always get off this plane tool by going all the way to Delete All, and the plane will disappear. So that's how you can play around with the clip plane tool in COMOSYS. And I hope you'll go ahead and you try that and see how it's working for yourself. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Maurice Dimba, and let's meet then.